Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we're gonna be unlocking an LG phone. This method will work for any phone out there, including Samsung Galaxy phones, HTC, LG, or any other phone out there. Now it is very simple, it just requires a couple of steps and we're gonna do it step by step together, and by the end of this video you're gonna have a fully unlocked phone. Alright, so we're gonna do a factory unlock, which means that we're gonna unlock your phone to use it worldwide with any GSM SIM card in the world. So in this case I have my phone, which is currently locked to AT&T. I brought it here, but I'm gonna unlock it to use it with my T-Mobile SIM card. So it is very simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and completely power off the phone. So I'm just gonna hold here and then you click where it says power off. Alright, click OK. Now once the phone is fully off, we're gonna insert the SIM card, okay? The new SIM card you wanna use your phone with. For example, my phone was originally purchased from AT&T. I'm gonna use a different SIM card, one from T-Mobile in this case. As long as it's different one from the original, it shouldn't be a problem. So we're gonna insert it into the phone here. And now we're just gonna turn on the phone back again. Alright, there we go, the phone is booting up. It's gonna take a couple of seconds until the phone is completely on. And it will ask us to enter the unlock code into the phone once it recognizes a non-accepted SIM card. And that's where we're gonna go ahead and insert that unlock code you see here in the back. So as you can see here, it will tell you SIM network unlock pin. Unlock attempts 3 out of 10. Make sure you still have at least one attempt. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and just write down here. It should be 0, 6, 2, 3, 6, 0, 1, 9, 1, 4, 0, 5, 8, 7, 0, 2, and you click done. And once you click unlock now, you will see that the network was unlocked successfully. So we're just gonna go ahead and click unlock now. SIM network unlocked successful. That's it guys, the phone is now fully unlocked. You can use it worldwide with any GSM SIM card. And once the phone has accepted the unlock code, it will restart automatically, and it's gonna take a couple of seconds until the phone is fully on again. But that's it guys, the phone is now fully unlocked. We're just gonna wait until the phone is fully on again, and that's it. The phone should be fully unlocked. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. I try to answer most of your questions, and yeah, so remember to subscribe to my channel. We upload videos every week, and yeah, that's about it. The phone has been now fully unlocked. So that's it guys, as you can see all the way here, we don't get the non-accepted SIM card anymore. So we're running AT&T phone on a T-Mobile SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I helped you unlock your phone.